People are confused about what is DSA, why we require to have a problem solving skill, which companies ask for it, how can I master DSA, what are the free courses for it, how can I tackle any problem, how much time we need to complete it. This video will be covering all of this in detail about DSA and you will be never left with any doubt about this topic. And there is a one top notch course जिसके बारे में मैं बात करूँगा. So let's see. What do you mean by DSA? According to Google, it is a fundamental part of computer science that teaches you how to think and solve complex problems systematically. And why we have to master DSA is pretty simple: to land a good job. लेकिन सिर्फ फैन के लिए ना? Maybe no, because after 3 years of experience in this field and solving problems since a year, I know but who I am. So hello everyone, my name is Nasir, a third year BTech CSC student. So let's jump into which language we need to learn, best and free course, how much DSA we should learn for product based, service based, उसके बाद startup के लिए, how to tackle any problem, what are the platforms to practice coding questions, and last but not least, the roadmap. But first thing first, you need to learn a language. A lot of people get confused here and stuck. If you know about any language, go with it because language doesn't matter. Select one from C, C++, Java, Python, JavaScript, anyone. Talking about me, I want to explore Java, so I shifted to Java from C++, but you can go with anyone. Now before I tell you about the best course, which is Diamond itself, we'll see how much DSA we need. These are the companies which work on already created products, so you need to have a basic knowledge of DSA, not in detail. Here are the topics which are listed. Take a screenshot. प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज में हम यूजुअली न्यू प्रोडक्ट पर काम करते हैं तो हमें न्यू प्रॉब्लम मिलेंगे जो कि किसी ने सॉल्व नहीं की होगी, तो वी नीड टू हैव अ डिटेल नॉलेज अबाउट DSA as much as possible. Here is a list of all topics. Now there are startups which ask for basic DSA और कुछ नहीं पूछते, but there is no problem to have a problem solving skill and learn DSA. I used to say when we have to work on a live project, so why the hell मैं DSA सीखूं? Why? But now I know the importance. Market is filled with paid DSA courses, but there is a one playlist or cheat sheet which is completely free, top notch, the best, that is Striver's DSA cheat sheet. No matter आपकी language कौन सी है, just go with this one. Striver is working in Google. IIT Bombay students follow this course and here is the feedbacks. और अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ट्रस्ट की कोई नीड नहीं है, just start with it. इतने सिंपल लैंग्वेज में इतना इजी करके नो वन टीचर्स. और अगर फिर भी ट्यूटोरियल देख के या नोट्स पढ़ के कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, प्रैक्टिस करके भी कुछ नहीं आ रहा, तो कोड हेल्प, कुणाल कुशवाहा, ये 2 प्ले लिस्ट हैं यूट्यूब पर, उनके पास जाओ, लर्न एंड कम बैक टू दिस वन कोर्स विच इज़ स्ट्राइवर DSA चीट शीट, क्योंकि एक के साथ स्टिक करोगे तभी आगे जाओगे. देयर इज नो नीड टू हैव एनी बुक, बट फिर भी आप प्रेफर करना चाहोगे क्रैकिंग द कोडिंग इंटरव्यू, यू कैन प्रेफर. व्हाट दिस टिप वन वांट टू टेल कि ज़्यादा ट्यूटोरियल मत देखो, प्रैक्टिस is more important. And now I am telling about in a while कि आप कैसे problem solve कर सकते हो, how to tackle any problem. But before that, see where we should practice to code. In interviews, you solve problems with the passing test cases where we apply different approaches and explain to interviewer. In brute force, better, optimal type of approaches. And now to create that environment, we have a lead code and geek for geeks. There will be questions with a difficulty level, but don't see it. Just go with the topic, whether it shows hard, but you can solve it easily. While I started, I used to copy paste the answers from Google to flex, but don't do that. There are a lot of jobs in IT. They just need थोड़ा सा reach, उसके बाद skill, your skill. So to build skill, let's see how to tackle any problem. You have lectures. If you are starting a new topic like array, binary search, linked list, watch tutorial first. Learn it, understand it, उसके बाद try to implement it by yourself, उसके बाद try to code. You have lectures. If you are solving any problem like array का हो या graph का, try to solve it by yourself first. Now to solve any problem, first understand the question, उसके बाद inputs क्या हैं, what are the outputs, then try to implement it and try run your approaches on a paper. Once you give your 100% to solve a problem, उसके बाद try to read these notes जिसमें अप्रोचेस, डिफरेंट अप्रोचेस लिखे होंगे, इधर कोड भी होगा, बट डोंट लुक फॉर इट डायरेक्टली. ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट दिस एल्गोरिथम्स इन अ कोड और उसके बाद सबमिटेड आंसर्स देखो दूसरों के. एंड लास्ट, watch tutorial to know other approaches, and अगर different होंगे, थोड़े optimal होंगे, तो try to implement it again by yourself. Give some specific time for every problem you tackle. Don't do like ये हो गया next, ये हो गया next, ये हो गया next. Don't. Now you know all the things, so here is the roadmap to cover it because deadlines are important. Now this is a normal roadmap. अगर आपकी placement 6 या 4 months में है तो set your time according to that. और उसके बाद if you are in first year, second year, third year, take your time and complete it in 8 months. You are definitely not going to regret it. Now you are watching this video till here means you have the potential and you can do that. Once you complete it with DSA, don't leave it. Try to solve 5 to 6 questions every single week. And now you are starting to learn DSA, or while learning DSA, try to participate in contest daily. It will boost you or show your level, but just start.